Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax. File taxes online securely step by step clearly. Open a trusted web browser on your computer or phone and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type TurboTax into it.com in the address bar and press enter to go to the official TurboTax website. Check the web address carefully and confirm you see the lock icon to ensure the page is secure. Click the Sign In button near the top of the page. Choose the login method you normally use, such as Intuit account login, Google, Apple, or another option shown. Enter your user ID or email address in the first field. Enter your password in the password field and double-check for typing errors. Click Sign In to continue. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it safely. If TurboTax asks for verification, complete the two-step verification code sent to your phone or email. When prompted, select the correct account if you have multiple Intuit profiles. Review any security alerts and confirm it is you attempting to sign in. Once logged in, look for your TurboTax dashboard or home screen. If you see options for previous returns, choose the tax year you want to work on. Click Continue your return if you already started, or select Start a new return if you are beginning fresh. Verify your personal information on the profile screen and update anything that has changed. Confirm your filing status options and choose the one that matches your situation. Follow the guided questions and enter income details from forms like W-2, 1099, or other documents you have. Use the upload or import tools only if you recognize the source and you are on your own secure device. Enter deductions and credits by answering each question slowly and reading the help tips when needed. Save your progress regularly and avoid closing the browser during important steps. When TurboTax suggests upgrades, read the details and choose only what you actually need. Go to the review section and fix any flagged issues or missing information. Double-check your bank details if you are setting up direct deposit or payment. Read the final tax summary and confirm the numbers match your documents. Choose e-file to submit online and follow the identity confirmation steps if requested. After submission, look for a confirmation message and save or print your filing confirmation for your records. Log out when finished, especially on shared devices, to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.